I was going to say the point of sale rebates though is just a joke. I mean, I'm going to say it's another way to make more money by the administrator because you're not passing the full amount. It's an estimate at the point of sale. Then I got a recon on top of a recon. And if anyone's ever been in the audit business in PBM, first of all, 1 in 60 plans ever audit. One in of that 1 in 60, 1 in 100 will ever do a forensic level audit, which means you go on site to the PBM and do a rebate audit. And so the whole thing is at its core, unfortunately, a horrible catch-22 with the largest entities that manage our healthcare system today, because they're all publicly traded. Their fiduciary responsibilities to their shareholder to make more money. They have no growth left because they bought everything in sight and they can't buy Humana and Anthem. So this means they're basically a utility stock, which what does that lead to? I have to meet or exceed earnings. How do I exceed earnings on a finite number of people? That means I have to take more money away from a patient or a plan. I mean, you can't challenge these statistics. And what the only hope I think the industry has to dig their way out in a 2.0 model is one, let's just stop making money on drugs if you're administrating a plan. The second thing is you have to focus on efficiency because I do think the big three can survive. They just need to actually become efficient for the first time. I mean, I often point this out. Pharmacy benefits, for those in the room that are economists or finance people should agree, it is the single greatest industry in the United States. It's a pure inelastic demand curve. Prices only go up every year, and through the proliferation of specialty, the average cost per scripts goes up. And so nothing else in the United States is like this. And what does that breed? Laziness. Inefficiency. And so the time is coming. I think there's some incredible folks out there that are trying to challenge this in a variety of different ways. And I think we're finally paying attention to it because prescription benefits represent 20, 30% of healthcare dollars depending upon who you are as a payer.